Hey, what's going on, guys? Dopestar930 here, and I'm making this video because I'm having a little bit of a problem with my Blue Yeti microphone that I recently got. For some reason, on every recording, I'm having a buzzing sound in the background. I've tried messing with the gain, I've tried messing with the different recording types, and it's not seeming to fix the problem. I've done a little bit of research, and I've seen that this is kind of a common mishap, or a common thing that happens with a lot of USB mics. And I've seen quite a few different little things that could potentially fix it. I tried so far switching the USB port around. I saw somewhere a guy was saying to ground my desktop by putting a copper wire around one of the screws in the back and putting the other end around something that's grounded. I don't know if this is what I need to do or if there's something else. So if anybody has any experience with this problem and has overcome this problem, I would really appreciate any insight or any tips or tricks that you are confident could solve this problem. And as soon as I get rid of that buzzing sound, guys, I promise I will do a complete quality test of this Blue Yeti microphone, which it's awesome, by the way. Just that buzzing sound needs to be fixed, because I want to have the best possible audio that I can get. So anyways, thanks for anyone who does help out. Just leave a comment and I will definitely try anything you guys suggest. So thanks a lot, guys. Dopestar930, and I'm out.